with my kids them. So
Yeah.
I just say at one point, me literally did I go crazy. I have an uncle in Pennsylvania. Me and him never close. My mother, brother, and my mother they close, but me and him never close. If him never come and say, I'm gonna take the kids them for the summer holiday, and me say someone is always coming to save me. And
Yeah.
him come take the kids them for the summer holiday and say, go and go sort out yourself. I will keep them for as long as you want me to, but
Oh.
go and sort out yourself. And then I when I tell you I appreciate my uncle so much, this me go cry. But
Big up
me
uncle.
literally
Big up uncle, man.
big up
Big
my
up uncle.
uncle, right? Through my uncle and his wife. Oh my God.
Big up
Jesus
your uncle,
Christ.
man.
Big up my uncle and his wife. Them are me. I tell you, 'cause we never had a relationship. And when me say how, and my daughter, she's very affectionate. So I was kind of worried about that too. And when she's like, Mommy, that's my favorite uncle, and him spoiler. Some people can be so,
Yeah.
yeah, and I was like,
Pretentious.
just yeah, and I was like, oh my God, my worry for my kids. My son a big boy, so
Yeah.
him can't angle it, but my daughter, I said, Jesus Christ,